Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is check prime number or not using non-match method in InStream. InStream non-match method is available. We can use and we can check the number is a prime or not. First you can create the class, create the right click of package and select new keyword and select class. Here I am writing class name prime number non-match. This is a class name. Click finish button, then go to main method. The class is created. Now write the main method. Here int number equal to 8, number equal to 8. Now write the logic boolean bole equal to int stream. Here writing the range close. You can use range close 2 comma is there 2 comma number by 2. Now write non-match I implies number percentage I equal to 0. See here int dot range close means here using 2 to number by 2. That means 2 number by 2 means 8, number is 8 by 2 means that is half of the value, that means 4. It will get 4. That means 2 3 4 values. Here displaying 2 3 4 values. Here need to non-match here is looping. First you can go to 2 value. First take 2 value, 2 divided by I, 8 by 2, it will get 0. Automatically it will get 0. That's why this is true. Then again it will come to another value is 3 divided by that means 8 divided 8%, that means percentage I, that means that is getting value. 4 also getting 0. That's why you can check the value this is a prime or not. If bole sys out number is a prime number, else sys out number is not a prime number. Now check this value. What is the output of this one? Right click, go to run as and select Java application. 8 is not a prime number. Using non-match method you can give 89. What is the output of this one? We can check 89 is a prime number or not. We can check this one. 89 is a prime number, 89 also prime number. We can give 87. We can give 87. Is not a prime number. We can give 101. We can try 101. What is the output of this one? Yeah, 101 also is a prime number. Yeah, this way we are checking number is a prime or not using non-match method in InStream. Actually I have another video also in my YouTube channel. In that YouTube channel I used, instead of non-match I used any match method. Instead of non-match I used any match method. You can check that one also. Some little bit you can get some difference and understanding, better understanding purpose and thinking way also we can, different way to we can think. Hmm? This way we can display the prime numbers using Java 8, the particularly in stream providing some range close and non-match methods. This is the check the prime number using non-match method. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.